Want to hide your IP address on WhatsApp? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the privacy feature that helps protect your IP address during WhatsApp calls. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now tap on the Settings option or profile icon. On iPhone, you'll find it at the bottom right corner, and on Android, tap the three dots at the top right and select Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. Scroll down and select Advanced. Here, you'll find the option called Protect IP Address in Calls. Simply turn this setting on. Once enabled, WhatsApp helps keep your IP address more private during calls by routing the connection through WhatsApp servers. This adds an extra layer of privacy and makes it harder for others to directly see your IP address during a call. If you don't see this option on your screen, make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version because some features may not be available on older versions. And that's how to hide your IP address on WhatsApp. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp privacy and security tutorials.